Despite programming languages not normally being the biggest decision that you make for a project, people insist on arguing about them. So I'm here to compare Java, C#, and C++, the top choices for game dev, backend applications, and native code. Java is used for Minecraft, in server-side applications at places like LinkedIn, Adobe, and Yahoo, and also in Android phones, although Kotlin is slowly taking over there. C++ is used for many games, such as CSGO, Minecraft Bedrock, and World of Warcraft, and is used in the Unreal Engine and the Xbox. It is also used in many operating systems and compilers, along with databases, Internet of Things devices, and machine learning. C#, on the other hand, is widely used at Microsoft, in Unity, in app and game development, for web services using the Blazor framework, and in the .NET ecosystem. To test performance, I made the languages run a loop to 100,000. C++ consistently ran twice as fast, if not more, than Java and C#, but I did have to set sync with standard I/O to false to make that the case. C# was faster than Java, but also had the slowest run overall by far, at just over half a second. C++ and Java have very similar styles and aesthetics as well, with the most notable difference being the horrifically long function names in Java and the function chains. And if you've ever used Java, you'll know what I'm talking about. A typical Hello World program for C# and Java requires very few changes to go between them. C++ is a much more C-like structure, obviously, with classes having much less of an effect. All of them require semicolons. C++ is the steepest learning curve in my opinion, mostly because the standard library is so massive. Java and C# are about the same in terms of size. The ease of use for Java and C# is interesting. C++ compilation is a simple case of G++ main.cpp, whereas C# requires finding the executable in your system, which is normally buried deep in the C drive and called csc.exe, and Java requires javac main.java, and then creates a class file instead of an executable, which then cannot be run as a file, the same as the other two, but requires you to run java main, not main.class, to run. It is worth noting that Java and C# both have multiple IDEs specifically targeted at them that hide all these commands behind a run button, and to an extent C++ does as well. So, which should you choose? Well, it depends on what you want to do. C++ is better for operating systems, other low-level jobs, and shooting yourself in the foot. Java is better for server-side applications, Android app development, and if you want to break your keyboard. And C# is better for most things Windows, Unity, and .NET, as well as having to deal with music jokes. If this video entertained or helped you, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. See you around!